Shiv, where is coriander seeds? पाय नाही द्यायचा. Where is coriander seeds? Clap clap करना पप्पा.
ये
ओवा कुठे आहे? ओवा. ओवा. आणि what is this? Sesame. When is fenugreek seeds? Fenugreek seeds. Very good.
फेनिग्रीक म्हणजे काय?
मेथी seeds. Oh my God, ShivTej know this. Okay.
शिवतेज काय सांगतो रे?
Poppy seed.
Poppy seed. ये Cinnamon.
This is बडीशेप.
शेप.
And where is cardamom?
Cardamom.
Very good, my bachchu.
तो बघ.
Look at this. Your favorite item here. Hey, where is turmeric? Very good.
Shabash.
Where is cumin seeds? Cumin. Hey, what is this? Black pepper.
Oh.
Where is mustard seeds? Mustard seeds. Very good. Many more to come. Wow. Shiv, where is Javitri? Javitri, where is Javitri? Okay, this is Javitri. And where is saffron? Saffron कुठे आहे? This is saffron. Okay, no problem. Okay, where is star anise? Star anise. Where is mirchi? Mirchi. Very good. Oh. Wow. What is this? Bay leaf. Okay. Oh, what is this? Cloves. And this? What? Nut?
Nutmeg.
Very good.
Champa.
But we have cinnamon. Smell it? Wow. Nice. This is nutmeg. Smell it? How is it? Nice. Wow. And this is bay leaf. Smell it? छान आहे? And this is cardamom. Very good. And look at this. What is this? Black pepper. And this is cloves. Very good. Put here. Okay. And शिवतेच्या आवडतीची गोष्ट येणार आहे आता. What is this? How is it? काय ते?
टॅपा.
काय?
Cumin.
And this is mustard. इथेच ठेवू. हे देऊ? Cinnamon. Smell it? Thank you. तिकडे
Bye bye.
आपण बाय कर.
बाय करतो.
अजून देऊ. Cumin.
बाश आता चला.
Cinnamon.
बाश.
बाश. Okay.